Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to delete your Venmo account. So once you're logged into your account, in the left hand side, just go ahead and click on settings, go to profile, scroll down a bit, and you're going to see towards the bottom where it says save settings. It's going to say close my Venmo account right above. Simply click on that. It's going to prompt you before you can close your Venmo account, review and download your most recent statement. So go ahead and tap on next. You may not have anything in there. If you do, you want to get whatever needs to be sorted out. Go ahead and tap on next once you've done with that, and then you're going to be prompted again. Are you sure you want to close your Venmo account? Yes. So go ahead and click on close account, and you will know your account has been deleted once you're reverted back to the sign in screen. When you try to log in with the account again, you won't be able to, and the account will be deleted. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.